Hello, prospective class of 2025. I'm Dr. Morcacho, and welcome to Hutchinson Central Technical High School. The best there was, the best there is, and the best there ever will be. Thank you for your interest in our incredible high school. Hutch Tech is a well-established high school that has over 100 years of history, producing high-achieving professionals in a number of fields, including engineering, architecture, the medical field, and more. Our college preparatory program at Hutch Tech is rigorous, and it incorporates a number of advanced placement courses. Hundreds of our Hutch Tech students enroll in our AP courses each year. We are the engineers, and we offer highly recognized engineering programs. We offer engineering, electrical engineering, computer engineering, as well as our biochemical engineering program. Our talented teachers are now ready to take you on a journey to highlight each of our incredible programs. Our first teacher, Mr. Westfall, will now explain the computer engineering program.
Welcome to the Computer Tech major at Hutch Tech. Stay tuned for some interesting details on what we do in class. Students in the computer major learn how to control robots through coding or programming. The robot you see here was programmed by a student to walk, talk, and even dance. Other robots were programmed to navigate through mazes and pick up objects without the help of a human. The fields of computing and robotics are closely related. Have you ever wanted to talk to a computer and have it talk back? In this class, you're going to learn how to code using the Python and JavaScript programming languages. These languages allow us to communicate with our computer and give it instructions. Many students use their coding skills learned in class to make video games of their own, and here are just a few examples. Instead of just playing games, our students are creating them. If you have a passion for video game design and coding, this is the perfect class for you. In this class, you're also going to learn about the computer from the inside out. You'll install hardware like RAM, memory, hard drives, and you'll troubleshoot computer issues. Many students bring in their computers from home to fix with the skills they learn in class. By the time you're done with this class, you're going to be able to build a computer from the ground up. Have you ever wanted to create your own app? In this class, you can learn MIT's App Inventor to create your own mobile application. The coding language shown here looks confusing, but it is something you'll learn throughout your career as a student in the program. You'll also learn about how digital electronics and how circuits work. So if you've ever taken an electronic piece of equipment apart just to see what's inside, then this is the perfect class for you.
Students in our computer engineering program also have the opportunity to earn dual credit, which awards credit at the high school level and at the college level. As Mr. Westfall explained in his presentation, every student will also take electronics, which is a part of our electrical program. And here to explain additional information about our electrical engineering program is Mr. Keene.
Hello there, I'm Mr. Keene, one of the electrical engineering teachers here at Hutch Tech, where we bring real-world skills into the classroom to get you prepared for a career in electrical engineering. I'm here to walk you through what your 4 years in the electrical engineering program will look like here at Tech. Here at Hutch Tech, we use a combination of hands-on work balanced with a strong theory approach to give you a solid foundation for a career as an installer, union electrician, or if you want to go on to be an electrical engineer at a school like UB or Northland, and prepare you for careers in growing fields like mechatronics, solar, and wind electrical energy. In your freshman year, as with all of the majors here at Tech, you'll take design and drafting for production. In your sophomore year, you'll actually take 2 different classes. Electricity lab, where we'll cover the fundamentals of circuits, both series and parallel, as well as understanding Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's law and how electricity behaves. In electronics lab, we'll talk about components such as relays, capacitors. We'll also deal with test equipment such as oscilloscopes, probes, and signal generators. In your junior year, you'll take Electrical Engineering 11, where we'll deal with magnetism, motors, generators, and circuit construction. We'll also learn about transistors and amplification. In your senior year, you'll learn logic number systems and how to program programmable logic controllers, like this PLC, that's used in factories around Buffalo like General Mills and Tesla. They take inputs and outputs and assign them to each other to make things run smoothly, like conveyor belts and production stamping equipment. So consider electrical engineering here at Tech to give you the skill, knowledge, and power to engineer your future, and don't be left in the dark.
We also offer our highly recognized biochemical engineering program, where our students have been accepted into top-rated professions throughout the country in nursing, pharmacy, medicine, and medical research. Here to explain in further detail is our teacher, Ms. Cross.
Would you like to be part of the scientific movement? Here at Hutch Tech, our biochemistry program will take you there. Biochemists play an important role in contributing to advances in a wide variety of areas, including health, agriculture, and the environment. Progress in the biochemical understanding of disease and complex molecular structures has led to medical applications, including the screening of newborn babies for disease, investigation of possible cures for illnesses such as cancer and AIDS, and the formulation of new and improved medicines. Biochemistry also contributes to protecting the environment. The genetic engineering of plants has led to advances in agriculture, which includes crop improvement and resistance to pests and diseases. Biochemistry is often a collaborative field, requiring biochemists to work and communicate as a team with professionals from a variety of disciplines to achieve their goals. The skills you will develop here at Tech are transferable across a number of careers. You could end up working as anything from an accountant to a marketing manager or event organizer. These transferable skills, which are sought after by employers, include analytical skills, experience of writing reports, presentation skills, time management, creative thinking, problem solving, observational skills, and working on a team. Here at Hutch Tech, our science team offers the highest level of training in sciences, higher than any other public or private school, not only in Buffalo, but in Western New York. The courses you will be taking here at Hutch Tech in the biochemistry program are: in 9th grade, every incoming freshman will be taking Regents Biology, also known as the living environment, unless you've taken that as an 8th grader. In that case, you will be placed in environmental science. All sophomores and 10th graders will be taking Regents Chemistry. All 11th graders will be taking organic chemistry and physics, whether it's Regents or general. When you become a senior at Hutch Tech, your course load is going to get a little heavier. This is where we take our advanced courses. All seniors will be taking either advanced biology or advanced placement biology, advanced chemistry or advanced placement chemistry, as well as advanced placement physics. By studying biochemistry, you would be able to contribute to a brighter future and be a part of the exciting new advances still to come.
We are the engineers. Here to explore our engineering program is our teacher, Mr. Nieves.
Hello everybody and welcome to Hutch Tech High School. My name is David Nieves and I am going to be taking you through the engineering program here at Hutch Tech. At Hutch Tech High School, we give our students the opportunity to study two very different disciplines in the engineering field. The first is the architectural field and the second is the engineering field. Now we give our students the opportunity to study both of these so as they get to college they have a better understanding what each discipline entails so they can decide on a major that they might want to take. As a freshman here at Hutch Tech, every single student takes design drawing for production. That course acts as the foundation of drafting that our students are going to need in order to be successful in 3 out of the 4 majors that we have here at Tech. As a 10th grader, we are going to have 2 different classes that engineering students are going to have to take. They are going to take an engineering lab and they are going to take an architectural modeling lab. In architectural modeling, we are going to take the students through the wood frame construction process, which means at the end of the course, they are going to know what it is to have a footer in your house, all the way up to a ridge board. Now, this is a hands-on course, and they are physically going to build a scale model of a house. In engineering lab, our students learn the basics of AutoCAD, which is a computer-assisted design program, and CNC machines to design and build different projects. In 11th grade, our students take the next step in discovering the world of architecture. Now, architectural CAD is a class that is going to teach the engineering students how to design the 3 most important areas of a home that people are looking for when they go house hunting. Those are the kitchens, the bathrooms, and the bedrooms. And if we're lucky and we have enough time, our students might even get to design a whole house. As a senior, they are going to take 2 courses, Engineering CAD and Material Testing Lab. In Engineering CAD, we teach our students to apply the engineering design process to problems that we give them in class, and they use Autodesk Inventor to virtually create the solutions to those problems. In material testing, they are going to take the solutions that they learned in Engineering CAD, and they are going to build and test them. Once they figure out where the issues are with the solutions, they are going to come back to Engineering CAD, and they fix the solutions, and then they go back in testing. This process goes back and forth until they come up with a solution that makes them successful with the design problem. And that's our engineering program in a nutshell. As you can see, our students learn a ton from the time they come in as freshmen to the time they leave as seniors. Now, we understand that you guys are going to have questions. By all means, we've given you a ton of information. So what we want you to do, we want you to go to our website, and we want you to drop your questions there, and we are going to get back to you as soon as we possibly can. Back to you, Dr. Marquecho.
Our graduates are sought after, not only because of their academic preparedness, but because they're members of our Tectonian culture. We have a number of events here that nurture our community in fun ways and are rich in tradition and are exclusive to our Tech family. At Tech, every day, we support each other like a family and we act as one community. We truly are one Tech, where all members act with respect and care for one another. I often receive emails and phone calls that compliment one student or a group of students who acted in ways that show high levels of character. That's always an awesome day. Our prominent alumni are diverse and are leaders in many sectors of society, not only in the city of Buffalo, but across the nation and beyond. Your future acceptance at Hutch Tech will enable you to be a part of this treasured legacy. Please visit our Hutch Tech website at hcths.com regularly. We will provide our entrance exam dates and our admission guidelines for the 21-22 school year. Thank you, and go Tech!
So for my bridge to be broken, it has to...
Pressure's on, make or break.